Hello and welcome. So this is a video where we set up everything that we need for our drawing challenge. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and check out my previous video where I talk about how we're going to do a challenge where we'll be drawing consistently, or we'll try to draw from our prompt list. You can find the prompt list on the community tab, also on my Ko-fi page. The link to the Ko-fi page is in the description box below. So I'm going to be posting a video every day except the weekends, picking out one item from the prompt list. So you can draw with me, or you can wait and draw everything over the weekend. It's totally up to you because I understand we are all busy. But the idea here is to have tiny little drawings every single day so that we practice a habit of drawing something. So this video basically tells you how you can set up everything you need for your daily drawing challenge. So let's begin. I want you to create a completely new folder for this challenge because I don't want your artwork to be in between all your other artwork. You know what I mean? Because I tend to create a lot more other things on the side. Some of them do make it to YouTube and some just don't. Similarly, I have things that I've drawn which I want to be in a special place, and then later we can all put it together and, just make a collage out of it if you want. So to begin, we're going to go ahead and click on your files. And when you click on that, you'll come to this page. If you're in home, all the files are like this. You don't see any folders, but when you go to your files, you see all these folders, right? So we're going to click on a new folder here and then name it. You can name it anything you want. I'm going to make it as test because I already have a folder called daily challenge. Okay, draw daily. So click on done and then it creates a new folder. Now you're going to tap on it and this is where you're going to create all your artwork. Like you click on create new, the artwork appears here. But if you do create something outside and if you want to move it into the folder, you can just click and drag and place it inside and it'll just, go inside. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put it back because I don't want it here. All my drawings are going to be in a particular format, that is create new. I go to digital and current screen size. This is mainly because it's much easier for me that it covers the entirety of the iPad and it looks much better in the videos when I try to put it full screen and stuff. But you can choose whatever size you want. You can make it square to fit the aesthetics of any social media that you're using. So yeah, I'm just going to click on current screen size and we're going to use this format for all our drawings. Colors. If I go into colors here and if I go into all, you see I have a couple of libraries over here, actually 3 libraries. And there's a library called Draw Daily where I have collected some colors. Obviously this list is going to keep growing. Right now I'm really in this neutrals or pastels or vintage color palettes. So you see a lot of them, but I do have some brights here, as you can see. You can use these colors to create your artwork along with me, or you can choose your own. There's no hard and fast rule on what colors you need to use. So go ahead and make your own color libraries, or if you want this exact color library, I have a link in the description box below. All you have to do is click on that. It'll take you to this page. Click on, there must be a button which says add to my library, and then you can just add it and it should show up in your own library as well. And I think that's the basic setup. So I'll see you tomorrow with our first drawing.